In a peaceful village near Islamabad, there lived a young boy named Ayaan. Ayaan was different from other children, curious, thoughtful, always wondering about the deeper meaning of life. While other kids played in the fields, Ayaan often sat alone, thinking about peace, purpose, and the wisdom behind everything Allah had created. One day, he heard about a wise Sufi scholar, Shaykh Abdus-Samad, who lived in a small khanqa on top of the highest hill near the village. People said he was a man of great insight, someone who could guide hearts toward inner peace. Determined to learn from him, Ayaan climbed the steep hill step by step, his heart filled with hope. When he finally reached the khanqa, he bowed respectfully and asked, "Sheikh, how can I find inner peace?" The sheikh, an elderly man with a soft smile and eyes that shone with calmness, replied gently, 10 years. Ayaan didn't hesitate. "But sheikh, what if I work even harder? How soon can I find peace then?" The sheikh paused, stroked his white beard, and said, 20 years. Ayaan blinked, confused but not discouraged. "Sheikh, what if I devote myself completely? What if I give all my time and energy to this path?" "How long then?" The sheikh nodded slowly and replied, 30 years. Ayaan's heart sank. He finally asked, puzzled, "Sheikh, I don't understand. The harder I try, the longer it takes." "Why?" The sheikh smiled with kindness. "When you keep one eye fixed on the goal, you are left with only one eye for the path." Ayaan fell silent. In that moment, understanding began to dawn upon him. He realized that rushing, forcing, and obsessing over the result would never bring him closer to true inner peace. Instead, he needed to embrace the journey, trusting Allah and growing step by step. Embrace the journey. Imagine you're climbing a tall date palm tree in the hot streets of Multan. At the top hangs a sweet ripe date figul, if you keep staring. Only at the date, thinking of how delicious it will taste, you might lose your balance and fall. But if you focus on each step, where you place your hands, how you grip the trunk, how the wind brushes against your skin, you climb safely and steadily. Life works the same way. Enjoy the process. Whenever you focus too much on the reward, success, fame, wealth, or recognition, you miss the beautiful journey Allah has written for you. Whether you're learning the Quran, practicing a skill, working toward a goal, or trying to improve your character, remember, your effort is the real treasure. Celebrate your small victories. Learn from your mistakes. Trust Allah's timing, because sometimes the true reward isn't waiting at the top, it's hidden in every step you take along the way.